In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user permissions in Clio Manage. Clear permissions keep your firm secure and efficient, so we'll walk through creating a role, choosing exactly what that role can do, and assigning it to the right people. Start on your Clio Manage dashboard and open Settings, then select Roles and Permissions. This is where you define permission sets, called roles, that you can apply to multiple users. Roles save you time and ensure consistency, especially as your team grows. Click New Role to create a fresh permission set. You'll be prompted to enter a role name and a role description. Use a clear, descriptive name like billing only or senior attorney, and write a short description that explains what the role is for. Good names and descriptions make it easy to maintain your setup later. Next, configure what this role can do. You'll see sections you can edit, such as contacts management, matter management, timekeeping, financial management, firm settings, conflict check, and task management. Click Edit section on the areas you want to control. In each section, select the permissions you want users with this role to have. For example, contacts management covers who can view, add, or edit contacts. Matter management controls access to case information. Timekeeping affects who can log and edit time. Financial management governs billing, invoices, and payments. Firm settings relates to higher-level administrative controls. Conflict check manages the ability to run and view conflict results. And task management defines who can create, assign, and complete tasks. As you make choices, think least access necessary. Give people what they need to do their jobs, and no more. This helps protect sensitive data and reduces errors. When you're satisfied with the selections, click Save to create the role. Saving locks in the role's permissions, but it won't affect anyone until you assign it. To assign the role, return to Settings and open Manage Users. Choose the user you want to update, open their profile, and assign the new role. This applies the permission set you just created to that user, aligning their access with your firm's policy. Finish by clicking Save. Changes take effect right away, so the user's access will reflect the role you assigned. If you adjust the role later, everyone with that role inherits the update automatically, which keeps management simple. And that's how to set up user permissions in Clio Manage. With clear roles, consistent permissions, and careful descriptions, you'll keep your firm organized, secure, and ready to scale.